happy and proud to be part of the challenging journey of GSS. I wish the company reach higher and higher peaks in the future. Congratulations GSS on its 11th anniversary.
I started my career as a QA fresher in the GSS. It's been 2 years here. I wish an happy 11th anniversary.
Fresher to junior developer. It's my first time celebrating an anniversary here. Happy 11th anniversary GSS.
First of all, happy 11th anniversary to the Giridhara Software Services. I'm very happy to be part of this company because I started my first career in this company. So I'm thankful to this.
Hi, I had good learning and experience in GSS, and I am very happy to be part of this 11th year anniversary of GSS, and very happy 11th year anniversary of Giridhara Software Services. Thank you.
Hi everyone, as a fresher, I'm glad to be part of GSS family. May the journey of the company's success continue in the upcoming years. I wish everyone a happy 11th year anniversary.
Hello everyone, I'm thrilled to be a part of our company anniversary celebration. In my short time here as a fresher, I already experienced the spirit of teamwork, dedication and innovation that define us today. As we mark 11 years of achievement, and I am inspired by the journey and excited for the road ahead. May this achievement mark another year of growth and success. Thank you everyone. Happy anniversary to all.
This is Ramurthy. I am feeling very happy to work in company like GSS. On this 11th anniversary occasion, I am expressing my heartful wishes to GSS.
Hi, myself Prasad. I am been working with GSS from past 7 years. I congratulate on reaching another milestone. Wishing our company a joyful anniversary and many more years of success.
I am Lokesh. Being a part of the GSS, I am very happy. Although I joined the GSS a bit lately, I feel I was connected to it, and I am wishing you GSS a very happy 11th anniversary.
Hi everyone, I am Karthik. I am very happy to be a part of GSS on 11th anniversary, and I am wishing you GSS to get more achievements and success in the upcoming years. Thank you.
Happy anniversary to our wonderful GSS.
Hi Vani. Hi guys. Congratulations for completing 11 years successfully. Let us celebrate more and more years together.
Hi, I am Guru Prasad. I am very glad that I become part of this wonderful roller coaster ride of GSS. Also, I admire Funny's determination and dedication to his company. I wish GSS to achieve many more success in upcoming decades, and a happy 11-year anniversary to GSS. Thank you.
Congratulations to our amazing GSS for reaching its 11th anniversary, a decade of growth, achievements and success. I am very happy to be a part of 11th anniversary and this wonderful achievement. I wish GSS will grow big in future. Once again, a very happy anniversary to GSS. Thank you.
Happy 11th anniversary to the GSS. I wish GSS would celebrate a lot of anniversaries like this. I am very happy to be part of GSS.
Congratulations on 11 years of excellence from GSS. I wish luck to GSS to reach new heights.
Happy birthday to our GSS Tech, and we would like to convey our sincere gratitude as we are celebrating another year of success and innovation and expansion. Thanks to GSS giving us such a place which is enhance your skills and knowledge and success, and thanks to everyone who helped this make this possible. Thank you.
Congratulations GSS on this very big occasion. It has been a wonderful journey altogether. Let's hope for the best in the coming years.
I've been working with GSS for past 10 months and it's celebrating its 11th anniversary, and this is my first time celebrating, and I'm happy to be a part of the celebration. So congratulations on its 11th anniversary.
Hi everyone, today we are celebrating 11th anniversary of our company. Have been with GSS from past 10 months, so I'm wishing to GSS good luck and all the best future.
It is indeed a great achievement to complete another successful year in the business. So I congratulate Team GSS and wishing all the best to the entire team, the directors and the management to continue this success journey. Thank you.
Congratulations GSS on your 11th anniversary, and I wish you more success for many more years to come. And I am happy for being the part of GSS Tech.
Happy 11th anniversary.
Cheers to the team that makes it all possible.